Good morning, students, and welcome. In the last lecture, we started Revati's musical plants. We came to know about the Revati's musical plant, which moved when she played the music, our favorite music, that is Mohanam. Okay. First, we like to know that some of the we would like to revise. Okay, she was just sitting on the bench at the courtyard of her house, and she watched a blossom plant which was very, you can say, its growth was turned up, and it was not watered. It had not even had enough sunlight. So she took that pot, kept in the sunlight, and she watered that plant regularly, and she used to sit over their bench and to play our favorite violin tune, that is Mohanam. And later she came to know, found that our plants are growing very well. They stood there, it became taller and it started to flowering and all. And the plant used to move towards her when she used to play the music. Once she noticed it, and she was very much surprised to see that, because there was no wind blowing over there, and still our plants were moving. So she didn't get it exactly what happened. Later again she tried that music, and she found that our plants are moving towards her music, means their plants also loved her music. When she played another tune, very rough tune, the plant didn't like it and they just turned to the other side. So she also came to know that she discovered that our plant liked her music, and she used to play violin over there, sitting over the benches, spending her time over there. Okay, the plant became very healthy and all. It started to flowering, as I mentioned you earlier. It had a very bright colored flowers and all, unusual and all. And one day what happened, when she got up in the morning and straight went to the courtyard to see a plant, Revati blinked for a minutes and there was neither a plant or the pot. One day as she got up in the morning and went straight here to see a plant, she found that a plant was missing. She searched for all over. Then she asked her mother also whether did she notice the pot of the plant. Her mother said she didn't know anything about the plant and the pot also. Some of the neighbors had been in their house the previous afternoon and had remarked about the beautiful flowers and the health. Some of the neighbors, okay, staying beside the house, came and noticed that the plant is very, very beautiful, and its flowers are also beautiful, and everybody were appreciating about that plant. See, some of the neighbors, okay, beautiful flowers and healthy looking plants in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house and been now not to the courtyard. Later her mother was busy in the kitchen work and all, so she didn't come outside to see the plant. Revati grief knew no bounds. Now she had no limit. Now she got frustrated, she got anger. Somebody has taken her plant, because she was deciding to take this plant to the best plant competitions, and now she found that her plants are missing. She went around asking everyone for her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of the plant. But so she started to ask everybody to get the answer, did they see the plant? But no one had been anywhere near the pot of the plant. But everybody said that we didn't see the plant and nothing, we don't know anything about that plant. She could not lodge a complaint or pot of plants. She felt as though everything was lost. Now she can't even go to police and complain that our plant is missing, because she herself found that plant lying over there, and she just took care of that plants, watered it, took care of that plants, and get everything what that plant required, and that was so. But she can't say anything about that things to complain anything about like that. She did not mind not getting, she felt she could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plant. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed the plant. But she didn't mind, okay, if I don't get the prize, it's okay. But she wanted to see her plants because she started to love that plant very much because she was caring for that plant. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends. She enjoyed her music. Who enjoyed her music? That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. Okay, that evening, all friends were going to visit the prize distribution ceremony in their colony, and she was not ready to go there, but her friend forced her and took her to the prize distribution ceremony. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. After reaching the place, she went to the benches, means the pots which were displayed for the best as a बेस्ट प्लान्ट्स ओके. तो वहाँ उस बेंच के उधर जाती है और देखती है कि सब प्लान्ट्स को कौन से प्लान्ट्स वहाँ पे रखे गए फॉर दिस सेरेमनी बेस्ट प्लान्ट्स इसका कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए. शी हैड ग्रोन वेरी शी डिड नॉट वांट टू सॉरी देयर वर हर प्लान्ट्स. Revati was shocked. Now as she was seeing that plants which were displayed over there on the benches, she noticed her plant also. There were her pots of plants on the bench with the name of distinct neighbor of her as her competitor. Now she found a plant, but the name displayed in that pot was something who she knew her very well. As the competitor and written on a small piece of the cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plant. Now she knew it very well that the plant was her, but the name mentioned or given was something different, a name of a neighbor. She went to the organizer of the show and told them about it. Now she goes to the organizer and tells them that the plant which is displayed over there is her plant, and the name is some name, and the name plate is somebody's others. The organizers were not convinced. Now the organizer was not convinced. मतलब जो organizer जिन्होंने बेस्ट प्लांट कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था वो ये मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है कि ये जो प्लांट है वो इसका है, रेवती का है. How can you prove that the plants are yours? Now they are telling them, how can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her? So what the organizers say, how can you prove that is your plant? Which you are talking about, which plant that is your plant? How can you prove that? The lady who submitted them in a regular participant is a regular participant. मतलब जो लेडी ने जो रेगुलर पार्टिसिपेंट बेस्ट प्लान कॉम्पिटिशन्स में अगर भाग लेती रही वो रेगुलर उनका ये है तो हम लोग कैसे उस लेडी के ऊपर शक करें, मतलब हाउ कैन वी डाउट हर. रेवती wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizer that she could prove the plants were her. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. Now Revati wondered. Now she wanted to convince the organizer that the plants are her, but she had no proof to prove it. When she was just sitting over there and thinking over it, then suddenly it struck to her mind that her plants moved when she played the music. And she just ran to the organizer and told that I will prove it, I am just coming, मैं अभी आती हूँ. And she ran back to her house and brought her violin and she started to play the violin. But their ridicule did not deter her from their mission. She told them, I know my plants and share her secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play them. She brought her violin and told the people that I know my plants like my music and they move according to when I play the music. You should see and how they respond when I play them. So she just requested the organizer that please just keep a watch when I play the music. My plants will move when I play the music because they are also the music lovers and they respond to my music. They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her. Now nobody was ready to believe her because nobody think that. We normally think that plants don't love music. Only we human beings have ears. We love the music. We try to understand the music and all. That's all. But it is not true. Even the nature loves the music. But all of them were making fun of her because बोलते क्या उसको कान है क्या जो म्यूजिक सुन सके. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plants back. Okay. She sat near her plants. She felt very dejected but was determined to win. She felt very dejected means she was very sad but she determined to win, but she had a firm belief that she will win her plants back. She sat near her plants and her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Okay, she sat near her plants and started to play her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plants for a time. When she was so deeply involved in her music that she forgot about the plant and she was just playing her favorite music. But the others could not but wonder in their eyes. They watched the plant. Straight at first they bent slightly as she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her feet. She was so involved that she closed her eyes and she was playing the music. But the others who were watching her was seeing that plants were trying to move towards her and bending towards her slightly as if they are trying to touch her feet. They wanted to touch her feet in the happiness. The organizers were stunned. Now they were shocked to see this and they were amazed to see that the plants moved when she played the music. They had watched a new phenomena of plants. They came to know about a new thing about a plant, that plant also respond to the music. Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plant were hers. All were applauded. They all clapped hands for her and said that they were convinced that the plants belonged to her. They pulled up her neighbor of cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plant. Okay, then they called her neighbor and said that you are cheated, but she was not ready to accept that she had stolen the plant. After long arguments and all, then she confessed that हाँ मैंने वो चुराया है plant, वो रेवती के plant थे. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night or to her house and submitted it later on the contest. मतलब वो जब गुजर रही थी रेवती के पास से, she noticed that plant and she loved it very much that at the night during when all were asleep या they were all busy at their work, उस वक्त वो उस पॉट को वहाँ से हटा के अपने घर लेके आई and the next day she kept in the contest. As she was a regular participant, nobody doubted her. ओके वो हमेशा एक कंटेस्टेंट की तरह आती थी बेस्ट प्लांट के इसके लिए कोई किसी उनके पर शक नहीं किया और इसी बात का वो लेडी ने फ़ायदा उठाया था. द ऑथर हैज decided that Revati's plant deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home and prize proudly with her pot of plants. तो authorities ने decide किए and Revati's plant was given the best plant. She got the first prize for it. They were the best looking and healthy plant. Revati carried home the prize proudly with a pot of plants. She took the prize also and she carried over the plants along with her to her house. Okay. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि इंसान ही नहीं पसंद करते म्यूज़िक को, इवन द नेचर ऑल्सो लव टू हियर द म्यूज़िक. वो भी रिएक्ट करते हैं इन चीज़ें, उनके ग्रोथ में भी इनका काफ़ी असर आता है. तो म्यूज़िक एक सिर्फ सीमित नहीं है सिर्फ लोगों के लिए ही. इट इज़ फॉर ऑल, इवन द नेचर्स लव द म्यूज़िक. Okay, we have finished this lessons. The half of the assignment has been done by you and remaining half will be completed. Okay, and you will have to submit and shown copy. It should be posted in your WhatsApp. Bye. See you in the next lecture.